fastest player, choose and perform the matching activity. If your character wins, you get 1 point. How many points can you collect? Get ready to dance and work out.
Let's go!
Coin dust in the air, countdown on the screen.
Ready?
Fox blinks in the carpet grinning, boost bar glowing green. Peach ties up her hair, card paint cherry bright. Cap laces up in stealth blue sneakers, says yeah, I run upright, let's go. 8-bit hearts on the starting line, who's gonna win this time? Fox blazing through the stars, Peach drifting past the signs, Cap sprinting like a comet down the edge of the track tonight. Retro race for the bragging rights, retro race for our pixel lives.
Ready? Go!
Countdown roaring over sky blue tracks, engines growl, clouds peel back. Thor spins Mjolnir with a crooked grin, Bowser's claws slam down, I'm in. Rosalina floating in a comic car, hair like moonlight steering by the stars. Rainbow rails bend, planet rings align, one lap around the cosmos. Takes the line. This is Starfire Speedway, shells and thunder in the lane, cosmic dust and broken
Ready?
on the track, here we go, feel the baseline glow. Yoshi in the lead on a pixel road show. Captain Marvel flying high through the sky so bright. Doctor Strange bends time in a neon light. Race, race, who's gonna win the game? Coins in the air, flashing every name. Jump, fly, spin through the digital maze. Retro heroes in an 8-bit blaze. Yoshi on the green with the turbo jump. Eggs in the back going thump, thump, thump. Zoom past corners, never looking back. Speed of a dynamo. Rainbow track. Captain Marvel blasting through the sky, leaving neon trails as she rockets by. Power like a star. Yeah, she's bringing the blaze streams. Traffic's closed. City Hall thought this was a joke. Red cap, red suit, red mask. 3 weird dudes at the starting track. One's got webs, one's got grips. One keeps yelling wahoo while he trips. Just as Chimichanga's princess is to save. Somehow this all became a charity race. It's Mario versus Spider-Man versus Deadpool. Who signed off on this? Who approved? Jump, swing, slice through the air like fools. First place wins bragging rights and free food. Mario versus memes are cool, they're all super, they're all slightly unwell. This is what happens when worlds collide too well. Oh yeah! One goes off, plumber pops a shroom. Suddenly he's tall and clearing the moon. Spider-Man swinging off every star like only one wins the final race. The final race.
Game!
If you liked this game, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Alonso's channel. I'm in many other games. Can you find me?